What do? We help potential customers transfer and move their business into Mexico from worldwide locations, hoping to get away from the menaces of the supply chain, time zone differences, and communication hurdles.
NearShore Company works in various industries, various solutions. We do automotive industries and medical. We have a lot of expertise in a lot of different verticals in manufacturing.
And again, it's the flexibility, the adaptability of the systems that we have here to launch the business and support the business on an ongoing basis. That opens the door to many possibilities for us, so we're open in many regards.
The concept of nearshoring is quite simple. Companies globally are looking to find solutions for their labor constraints, supply chain constraints. Today's market offers the same or even better labor potential and exceptional supply chain opportunities.
Speaking of the different manufacturing processes that we have at TNC, we're very familiar with injection molding, zinc plating. We have various cutting and grinding operations. We are capable of bringing in new programs and new products, assisting with engineering support, quality support to get these products launched. In some cases, we even get involved in product design.
The benefits of working with the NearShore Company are culture, capability, certainty, capacity, convenience, cost-effective, and collaboration.
The NearShore Company is a convenient way for potential customers to bring their jobs to Mexico through transfers or new job launches. So we support them with the flexibility that we have in our systems, the strong quality systems that we have, and the variety of capabilities we possess to serve those.